Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by verifying your phone model and operating system. That determines the exact steps. Open Contacts and pick the caller you want to assign a photo to. Once done, tap Edit and add or change the photo. Use a high-resolution image so it scales well. Make sure the phone app has permission to access contacts and photos. Without permissions, images won't display. Backing up contacts first prevents accidental loss, and choosing square or centered images avoids awkward cropping. Now you'll handle the more specific configuration. On iOS, edit the contact, tap Add Photo, select an image, adjust the circular crop so the face is centered, then save. This ensures full screen display on calls. On Android, use the contact edit, pick gallery or camera, crop to the suggested aspect, and save. Launcher skins may change exact labels. If you use a third-party dialer, make sure it's the default phone app and that it has contacts and storage permissions, so images finish by testing. Have someone call you so you can confirm how the photo appears, full screen or thumbnail depending on OS and settings. If it fails, make sure contacts and phone have permissions, toggle them off and on, then restart the phone. Sometimes reassigning the photo fixes cache issues. Also check for duplicate contact entries or caller ID apps that override images. Disabling or reconfiguring those apps usually restores the intended photo. Finally, keep your OS updated to avoid known display bugs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.